Yeah, he beat him 1-0. Is that the guy? Is that the guy who started the game? Rosenthal. Yeah, that guy's their heater. I'm I've got it on and I've got it muted. I watched. Yeah, yeah. Now they're yeah they no they I watched the whole. I watched pretty much the whole game. I'm watching these birds in my garden though. I'm taking I'm taking videos for the geet. Yeah, there's one I've got going for like 5 minutes here. This bird's on the feeder and he's eating, and I've got it all videoed. She'll hope she might she might react to it. Okay. Yeah.